Welcome to Gateshead Harley-Davidson. This is our ex-demonstrator 2021 Heritage Softail Classic. It's the 114 with a blacked out engine. Comfortable, classic looking Harley cruiser. The bike's covered 822 miles, nicely run in. Just had its 1K service and ready to rock for its new owner. The only addition that we've made is that we've fitted engine bars to the bike, on which of course you could fit highway pegs for that nice stretched out relaxed ride. If you want any more information on this bike, you can contact us at Gateshead Harley-Davidson or via the website Opus Harley-Davidson.